Oh, hi! Welcome back to the craziness, y'all. This is the disaster that we are tackling in today's video. I want to get my laundry room more organized, and it is just long overdue. So let's go ahead and jump right on in. So I'm going to start by removing all of the beach towels. Y'all, this has just been what has worked for us as far as, summertime water activities and keeping our towels in this closet. They're just very easy to grab. But, our beaching and pool days are pretty much over. So I'm just going to go ahead and store them in this plastic tote that I had lying around and get them put away for next year. This is all of the paint that had made its way into the laundry room, and I just needed to go ahead and put it back outside. So in this other tote, I'm going to put our camping linens, the kids' sleeping bags, and the blankets that we use in the tent when we go camping. And I'm also going to store them in the closet alongside the beach towels. Sleeping through the edges of my soul. We keep all of our hats and gloves and our socks in the laundry room, and as you can see, this basket was just not really fitting the bill for all of the hats and gloves, so I am going to put them in a bigger and nicer container. And of course, I'm going to show you how I ended up organizing everything in just a little bit. So I haven't been really happy with our sock situation for quite some time. This basket is not as structured as I need it to be to contain socks for 5 people. So I'm going to switch it out. I'm going to put all the socks in this basket, which is a whole lot more sturdy. And of course, this is something that I also had lying around. So I'm going to go ahead and sort through this sock basket, moving all of them over to the other one and mating up any randoms that I find in the process. Able to tell the truth. No one else can see you like I do. All you ever do is say how far you wanna go. Baby, I can tell it's just for sure. Every line designed to let me know.
Say that you are.
purchased 3 of these shoe boxes from Walmart, y'all. They were only 84 cents a piece, a great deal. So this is what I decided to go with as a storage option for our hats and our gloves. And to keep everything labeled nicely, I'm going to use one of these super tiny clothespins that I've had for a long time. I'm just going to secure it to the front of the bin with a little bit of hot glue, and that way I can make some custom labels for the containers as I need them. And y'all, I was really doing my best to be resourceful. I have lots of different randomness lying around, so I decided to use a random thank you card. It's completely blank on the inside. I felt like it was a good size. So what I did was I just cut them into fourths, and it just made them the perfect size to fit on the front of the boxes.
You might be seeing things, yeah. You know I'm real and I'm here. Who cares in a few years? You know you're already accepted. To me, you're always picture perfect. You think you're gonna be rejected. Just say you're in love, 'cause so am I. So am I. Say that you so am I. So am I. Say that you love me. So am I. Say that you so am I. So am I. Say that you love me. So am I.
This little nook to the right of the dryer is something like the pits of hell. So much crap gets trapped back here, y'all. And this is like one of my least favorite things about a laundry closet, is that it's just really hard to get in there and clean, without having to remove the washer and dryer completely. But we were also keeping our Swiffers and our mops and stuff back in that little corner, but it was just getting cluttered and nasty. So I took everything from back there and gave it a good sweep.
Clouds go by and the sun is set high, and I believe you when you say that this is never gonna change. Say, would you like to spend your day with me always? Be brave, we don't need far too much, just stay brave beside me. Happy days, running on the open fields, yeah.
I am using command hooks that I already had on hand to organize the broom and mops and get them from out of that little corner. This is definitely going to make them a whole lot more accessible and hopefully keep that little corner beside the dryer a whole lot less cluttered.
Be brave, we don't need far too much, just stay brave beside me. Happy days, running on the open fields, yeah.
These inexpensive shoe boxes were such a great option to incorporate in our laundry room, and at only 84 cents, I mean, I can purchase as many as I need to. There's still plenty of space left on the shelves in here, but as you can see, everything has a place, and the third shoe box is over in the corner, empty for whatever I decide to put in it. And as you can see, I also labeled the camping and beach towel containers, and I just used some larger clips that I already had on hand. But, you know, lots of empty space still for things as I see fit. Still got the dog food over there in the corner from hell, but, you know, that's about the best place we have for it. So it's just going to have to stay there for now. But that's it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And y'all leave me a comment down below and let me know how you keep your laundry room organized. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.